it's Baby Unicorn here, and today we're going to be playing some double Bedwars. So guys, if you've never played this before, this is how it works. So, you get given a partner, and you and your partner have to try to protect your bed and kill everyone else. So then you're the last team standing. So, you and your partner get given an iron and gold generator, so you can buy blocks to protect your bed, you can buy armor so you don't get hurt that easily, and buy weapons so you can kill other people. So yeah, that's how it works. If you've never played it before, you should really play it. It's really fun. It's on the Hypixel server, and there's many more games. And guys, sorry if you hear any background noises, because you might hear my pets in the background. And yeah, guys, from now on, you're in charge of what games you want me to play. So comment down below, right down here, what games you'd like me to play. And please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. So let's jump right into it. I wonder what map we get. So it looks like we got... Ooh, I love this map. It's a Sandcastle one. Now all we need is to get the colour aqua, because that's like my really lucky colour and one of my favourite colours. I really hope to get aqua. Ready? Oh my gosh, guys, we got aqua. Look, this person's wearing aqua armour. Look, guys. I'm wearing aqua armour. We can win this now. And guys, I've got to tell you this, that my aim is to get to the top 3 today. And guys, if you don't really know me yet, you'll know that I like to just not protect my bed that much, because I like to go out there, get emeralds and get obsidian to put around my bed. So hopefully I can do that. So yeah, that's my plan, to go out there and get obsidian. Did my partner leave? Well, no matter what, if my partner left, I can still win this, even if I'm by myself and everyone else has a partner. I can still do this. Okay, now we need to build to the middle. Lag first. Oh, my partner. Did my partner build and fall off, or did she leave? No, wait. Is she gone? I don't know, guys. Guys, when you comment down below, tell me if you ever play doubles and your partner ever leaves you. Because even if it's happened to you before, it's happened right now, I think. Okay. So here we have some diamonds, but I don't want these diamonds right now. I want to get emeralds. Oh, there's green there with a nice shiny sword. Okay. Okay. There's green. Are you going to come at me, green? And altogether, I think I need like 8 emeralds, because for 4 emeralds, it gives you 4 pieces, and altogether you need like about 8 pieces or so to get around the bed, I think. So yeah. Kill them. Oh no, they killed me. Now I need to get back to the middle. Get another sword. Now, get some wool just in case. And now, let's go. Just so when I come on the way back, I'm going to make a little staircase for me. There's green again, right there. I have to kill him. Okay. So, there's no emeralds on this one. Let's see if there's some over here. Looks like white hasn't got a very good defense. Or white's out anyway. Maybe because they didn't have a good defense. That teaches you guys a lesson. You need a good defense if you want to stay in. I really hope no one's at my base right now. Okay, 1 emerald. Just 7 more to go. This is going to take a while. And so I don't keep losing them, when I have about 4, I might go back and put them in my ender chest so no one else can take them. And if I fall or get killed, I won't lose them. Then I'll be able to get all of my 8 emeralds quicker. Okay. Oh my gosh. Green. They're gonna kill me. Okay. So. Looks like this emerald thing isn't working out for me. And green's really annoying me. So I'm gonna go kill green and get their bed. Because their bed only has a bit of wood and clay around it. So it doesn't look like it's that protected. So I'm gonna buy a fireball for 40, not emeralds, for 40 iron. Then I'll be able to aim it at them. And then, yeah, and then it'll break their bed. So my partner is here. For a second I thought that was someone different, but my partner is here. She must have just been disconnected for a little bit. Or been hiding. Well, at least she's back now. Okay. Why am I going into blocks? I need a fireball. Now I need some more wool. Oh, she just got us a nice little sharpness bit on our sword. Yay, thank you. I always like to say thanks when my players do something nice. That's a nice little thanks. Now, let's go blow up green's bed. So, I don't want to fall off here with my fireball. So, hopefully green won't be standing here, right up here waiting for me. Okay. First we need to find where green is. So, okay, green's over here. There's only 1 green left. That means their bed must be gone. Okay. Oh, let's get this person here. That might have hurt. Did it? Did that hurt? No, it didn't. Okay, guys. This is down to the walls right now. When one more team gets out, we'll be in the top 3. But do you know what's even better than the top 3? First! So, guys, yeah, a blue is coming. I really need my partner right now. Are you scared? Are you scared I'm going to kill you? Are you running because you're on low health? Me and my partner are just standing here waiting. There you go, blue. Okay, back to our base. I might try to break blue's bed. Because they're the only one left for the bed. Green and pink. There's only 1 left on each of those teams when there's meant to be 2, so that means their bed is gone. So yeah, I might try to go break blue's bed. First, I'm going to get an iron sword, and now I'm going to save it for some iron armor, because I haven't got iron armor. So, first I might quickly try to get a fireball, so then we can go get blue's bed. 1 more iron there. Now we can get a fireball. Now I just need some wool. Okay. I'm ready. My partner's already gone to kill someone. And guys, if I bump into a different team player, like green or something, I might just shoot the fireball at them instead of shooting it at blue's base. So I apologise if I do that because I just get very scared and I just shoot it. So yeah. Now, whereabouts is Blue's base? Oh, Blue is right there. I might throw it at them right now. Kill them. Oh, they killed me again. Okay, they're very strong. Because I just feel like they're going to come and break our base, I might quickly buy some end stone while I wait. Because I really want to get some iron armor before I go back out there. Because they just keep killing me so quickly. So yeah. Now I'm just going to have to wait here until I get 12 gold ingots. Is that Blue there with some diamond gear? My only chance is to try to push him off that side. Oh my gosh, he killed me. I really need my partner right now. He broke our bed. I'm gone, guys. Well, that was a good game. We actually got into the top 3. We got 3rd place. So that's pretty good. So, yeah. Well, I've got to go now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe and comment down below. And tell me if you like this video and what my next video should be about. So, yeah. So, keep watching my channel. And, yeah. So, bye, guys. See you next time.